later, CO2 levels return to normal. And in 2 days, the crew returns safely to Earth. So, how does something as impactful as duct tape land at number 101? Here's how the list was created by the experts at Popular Mechanics, the go-to magazine for technology.
When assembling our list, the editors of Popular Mechanics worked with some of the smartest technology experts